everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download 99 Designs application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download 99 Designs application on your Android is quite easy. First, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. And once you are connected to a stable internet, open up your Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in 99 Designs and search. Here's the app we are looking for. Simply tap on the install button to begin the app download process. The application is available for custom graphic designs, which includes logos, websites, and so much more that can be easily downloaded on your Android devices. Once the app is downloaded, click on the open button to launch the app open, and that is how you can easily download 99 Designs application on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.